Want to see which USB devices are connected to your Windows PC? Device Manager gives you a quick way to check USB hardware, view its status, and troubleshoot driver problems. In this guide, I'll show you how. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Once Device Manager opens, find Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand the category. You'll see several USB-related entries, including controllers, hubs, and other components. Look through the list for USB devices and controllers. Some connected devices may also appear in other categories, depending on what type of hardware you're using. A yellow warning icon can indicate a problem. Right-click a USB device or controller and select Properties. On the General tab, check Device Status. This message can tell you whether Windows has detected a problem with the device. Next, open the Driver tab. You can check the driver provider, date, and version. If you're troubleshooting, you can also access options to update, roll back, or uninstall the driver. For more information, open the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property menu. These identifiers can help you identify specific USB hardware and find the appropriate driver. If a USB device isn't showing up, select Action from the top menu, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will refresh the hardware list and look for newly connected devices. Yeah, this is a useful first troubleshooting step, and that's how to check USB devices in Device Manager. You can review USB hardware, check device status, and inspect driver information. So use these steps whenever a USB device isn't being detected or working correctly.